In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Best Buy Black Friday deals. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Best Buy Black Friday deals. Right here, go to this website which is called TechRadar. And right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that we have a list with some deals that we can use to get some discounts. So all you need to do right here is just scroll to these promotions and find the best deal for you. And once you do that, you can simply tap right here where it says view deal, and you'll be redirected to the website in order to be able to claim that offer and receive the promotion. Also, if you go back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called blackfriday.com, and right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes and deals that you can use for some discounts. So right here as well, all you need to do is just scroll through these promotions and just find the best deal for you. And once you do that, you can simply tap on the promo right here, and you'll be redirected to the website when you can go forward and claim that promotion in order to get a discount. So this is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.